Ito ang ating 3-in-1 special biko. Thai mango biko, biko bukayo, at biko buko pandan. This is the 4-in-1 biko special. Biko ubi with cheese, Thai mango, buko pandan, at bukayo. Biko native bukayo. 2-in-1 biko, Thai mango, at ang ating buko pandan. Ito ang ating lucky color to this year, yellow and green.
Color green?
Yes. It's so yummy.
I want that.
Special biko.
A pickle.
This 150. Special biko 250. And this one is 350. Thank you very much.
$350, $250, 150.
150. Special biko yan. Special. Sarap yan. Oh. Namumutawi sa toppings. Overload. Overload yan. Parang pizza lang.
One small milestone.